Hi there, welcome back to OneClick Code Academy. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use the advanced search on your project dashboard. If you manage a high volume of projects or work on a team where multiple users create reports, finding exactly what you need can get overwhelming fast. Advanced search solves that by helping you filter, sort, and pinpoint projects instantly, so you can stay organized and save time. Whether you're a contractor or adjuster, this quick tutorial will show you how to navigate your project history with ease. To get started, open the project page. At the top of the page, you'll notice two ways to search: a standard search bar and an advanced search option. The standard search is ideal when you already know what you're looking for. It lets you quickly find a project using details like the address, claim number, or project creator. For more refined control, use advanced search. To access it, click the Advanced Search button in the top right corner of your project list. This opens the full search panel. Advanced Search lets you layer multiple filters together so you can zero in on exactly the projects you need, including state, view projects created in a specific state; jurisdiction, narrow results to a specific authority having jurisdiction; created date, find projects from yesterday, last month, or a custom date range; created by, useful for managers and admins tracking team activity; has the words. OneClick Code will find any project containing keywords. This is especially helpful when you only remember part of the address or claim number. Property type, filter by residential or commercial. Roof type, choose between pitched or flat. Project includes, locate projects that include manufacturer requirements or estimating calculators. Each filter stacks with the next, allowing you to combine as many as needed to narrow down your results. Once you've chosen your filters, click Search. Your dashboard will update instantly, showing only the projects that match your search. You can adjust or clear filters at any time if you want to widen or narrow your results. Advanced Search helps you find projects faster, stay organized as your project list grows, track team activity across your organization, and reduce errors caused by digging through long lists manually. It's a simple tool, but a powerful one. You now know how to use Advanced Search on your project dashboard to quickly locate, filter, and manage your projects in OneClick Code. If you found this helpful, check out the rest of our OneClick Code Academy videos for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.